This type of rare bird videos is taking over social media right now, and I genuinely think this is going to be the next massive AI trend on Instagram. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same completely free. Let's get started. First, head over to this prompt link from the description below. Copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now hit enter and ChatGPT will instantly generate 10 completely unique bird names for you. Once you've selected your bird name, go back to the prompt file and copy the master prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, replace peacock with your unique bird name, and hit enter. Within a second, ChatGPT will generate your final master prompt with all the required details. Now simply copy the full master prompt and head over to Google Flow. Here select the video option and then choose Omni Flash as your video model, along with your other desired settings. Paste the prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Within just a few seconds, your AI rare bird video will be ready. Let's watch the result together. And that's literally the complete process, and can generate unlimited unique videos. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the next viral AI niche the moment it drops.